Hey there, can you believe this? This is the FOV Boost Lens. Just came in for the Action 5 Pro. I'm going to do a video quick with this thing, the regular one, and then with this one. Oh, you open this. There's usually a green, oh here. See that? There we go. Now it probably opens. Oh, it does. Look at that. Let's see how it's wrapped. Oh. Anything else in there? No. Let's put this here. Okay. There. There. It's heavy. Oh, it's heavy. Mount lens to camera properly. After installation, enable the FOV Boost Lens mode in camera setting. This is the sticker that's just here, there's nothing. Is this, oh. Look at it. See that? Oh, look. Right, so clean. So the only question now is how to get this off. You may need a tool when it's too tight. And the other question is, can you keep the old lens in here for the time being? Look how clean this is. Make sure the red seal is still there. Now we're going to boost. Tighten it good. All right, protect the other one, but it doesn't, this doesn't close with the original lens in it. It's just falling around, so this is not a good solution to keep the old lens there. I'm going to turn this on. And then we take a peek into the thing here, the menu, to see how it works with the lens. Is there anywhere, no, there's storage. Here, format internal storage. Oh, all the videos are gone. Okay, so is there anything there with the lens? Snapshot wireless. There, FOV lens, enable. Okay, the lens is enabled. You can see up there in the corner, there's a little logo. Now I can see everything in here, huh? Let's try it outside and see the difference. So let's see what happens here. With this kind of lens, you're probably looking for lens flare. I don't want to trip. It's so icy here. So you want to see if you get lens flare there in the sun. There's the sun. I think the sun is too small to create lens flare. Oh, it's the distortion there, it's crazy. Okay. So we're at RockSteady wide. That's how this looks like. RockSteady wide. The one before was like everything off. Okay, RockSteady wide. Horizon balancing standard. That looks like this now. Whoa. Horizon balancing standard. And I walk around with it. Sun is in my eyes. I cannot see anything on the display. So this is RockSteady ultra wide. There is no horizon balancing in this situation. You know, when I move it around like this, you see it, no? Or not? I don't know. Right. Yeah, that's how this goes. So, let's go here, this way, towards the fence. And we can see the fence panels here, how they bend left and right. Wow. fix that one. Is that where they were going? Alright. Both of them are running around. Where are you going? Come here. Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. He looks so small with his lens. You look so small. What? Where are you going? Where's your ball? Can you get your ball? Where is it? Go find it. You want to play frisbee? Come on, bring it to me. Give it to me. Yeah, I want it. Give it to me. I want the frisbee. There, ready? Go get him.